Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can add Meta AI on WhatsApp. So before we begin, here are some important notes about Meta AI on WhatsApp. First, the feature may not be available in every country. Second, most features currently only support English, although Business AI also can work in Spanish. And finally, your personal messages remain protected with end-to-end encryption. Let us go to the settings and then on chat. If you scroll down here, there will be a private processing feature that could be enabled. However, in this country, the feature is not available because Meta AI is automatically on WhatsApp. But for those regions who doesn't have it, enable your private processing feature. Meta AI can assist you with your writing. Just type a message, then choose from options like rephrase, professional, funny, supportive, or proofread. This lets you instantly adjust the tone of your message to fit the situation. It can also summarize, rewrite, and proofread text to your liking. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.